Hello students. In number system earlier we have represented irrational numbers on number line. We also did successive magnification in order to represent numbers. Today I am talking about that how to represent root 5 minus 2 on number line. How to represent root 5 minus 2 on number line. Important one. It's an application level question because you have already represented root 5 on number line if you remember. We also represented root 10, root 13, root 29. I hope you have done those. So today we are representing root 5 minus 2 on number line. And on the basis of that, similar such questions can be there even in the examination. So I have drawn a number line. I have already written. Let us take 3 centimeter as 1 unit. 3 centimeter as 1 unit. So what I am doing? I am numbering this number line. 3 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeter I am marking my 1, again 1, 2, 3 I am marking my 2, 1, 2, 3 I am marking my 3. That's enough. This is O, origin, or it is 0. This is 1, 2 and 3. You already know, in order to represent root 5, one side of the triangle must be 2 and other side of the triangle must be 5. That we have already seen earlier. I show you. Suppose I draw this triangle. This we have already done it earlier. This is a rough sketch which I am showing. Let me mark ABC. If this is 2 and this is 1, 2 square that is 4, 1 square that is 1, 4 plus 1 5. So this AC is going to be root 5. So 2 we have already taken on the number line. 1 we need to take at right angle. So right angle you have to draw, and you will have to, with protector you will mark 90-degree mark, and you will draw 1 unit length line segment. 1 unit length. So 1 unit I have taken as 3 centimeters. So this is my 1 unit. This I join. So here I am joining this. So if this is 2, this is 1, obviously this is root 5. This is root 5. Now that root 5, I am taking it on number line. Obviously that root 5 has to be extended on the number line. So from here, I will take it on number line. This is root 5. Now look here. If I consider this to be O, if I consider this to be A, if I consider this to be B, then let us check what is root 5 minus 2. Now root 5 is OB. Root 5 is, look, root 5 minus 2. Root 5 is OB. O to B, that is root 5. Minus 2, that is OA. So OB minus OA as per this diagram is going to be AB. Length between A and B. So that length I should take it, and that length I will have to project it, or I will have to show on the number line. So here I am measuring the difference between the two, that is this. Look, I measured this root 5 minus 2. In that root 5 minus 2, I am marking from 0. This is root 5 minus 2. So if I put this d here, then OD represents root 5 minus 2. That is all. This is to be done. OD is root 5 minus 2. I hope you have understood. I repeat, everybody knows how to represent root 5. So we represented root 5. 2 is already here. 2 is already here. So root 5 minus 2, root 5, that is OB minus OA, that is 2. So OB minus OA is going to be AB. This length between A and B, that is root 5 minus 2. So that length I have measured with with a rounder and pencil, and then that length I am marking it from 0. From 0 to D, that is OD, that is our root 5 minus 2 on the number line. Okay, such similar questions of application may be there even in the examination. So you should be prepared with all the sums. Okay, that is all. We will continue later. See you then. Stay home, stay safe, and continue doing the work. Okay.